Next practice question on your journal entry. So journalize the following in books of Shiv Parvati. So mention on top books of Shiv Parvati. Point number 1. Goods worth rupees 5,000 destroyed by fire. An insurance company admitted a claim to the extent of rupees 4,000 only. So the cost of goods that was destroyed was 5,000 and the claim was only of 4,000. So loss by fire is 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000. Let's start with the entry. First part, loss by fire account debit 1,000. Loss by fire account debit, loss है debit होगा 1,000. Then insurance company accepted the claim, so you can write insurance company or insurance claim account debit. Insurance company or insurance claim account debit. कितने का claim? 4,000. So 4,000 is the claim. Loss by fire account debit, insurance claim account debit to what? Goods चले गए हमारे. So to goods destroyed by fire. Goods destroyed by fire, total 5,000. Okay, the narration will be goods destroyed by fire and insurance company accepted the claim till 4,000. Okay, that is your narration. Now, number 2 entry. Cash sales at list price of rupees 9,000. Trade discount allowed rupees 900. So first tell me, is trade discount TD ever recorded in books? Answer is no. Never record trade discount in your books. So the list price is 9,000 less your trade discount 900. That is 10% of 9,900. Entry will be only with 9,000 minus 900, that is with 8,100. Trade discount is never recorded in books. So cash sales, what is coming in? Cash account debit. Cash is coming in. Cash account debit. How much? 8,100. Credit what? Credit sales to sales account. Purchase debit, sales credit. Okay, so sales account is credited with 8,100 and entry is cash sales recorded. Your narration. Only the point you have to be smart with is your trade discount. This is to confuse. Just less करो trade discount and balance से ही books में entry करो. Never record it as discount. Only cash discount is recorded. Trade discount never recorded in your books. Okay. So moving on to the next point. Point number 3. Received cash gift of rupees 21,000. Wow, a gift of 21,000 is received from father, which was used to buy shares of Tata Motors for business. Business के लिए shares use किया है. So the gift which was given on personal front of 21,000 has been brought in business because the shares of Tata Motors are bought for business. So what is this? Ultimately you are getting capital in the business in form of 21,000 invested in shares. So entry will be investment. Your asset will always be debited. So investment in Tata Motors share account debit. Investment in Tata Motor shares account debit. Investment is share is my asset, so obviously it will be debited 21,000. And where did the money come from? Father had gifted this money, but we have put it in business. So this means ultimately capital has been introduced in your business. So to capital. Capital को हमेशा credit balance. So to capital account 21,000 and share purchased for business from personal funds. Yes, 21,000 was personal fund, gifted fund, and that we used in business. So shares purchased for business from personal funds. Therefore, capital comes into picture. Personal funds. Okay. Moving on to the next point. Point number 4. Repayment of bank loan. Bank loan is my liability. अब मैं उसको repay कर रही हूँ. Means खत्म कर रही हूँ. Liability credit. अब I am reversing bank loans liability. So bank loan has to be debit. Repayment of bank loan with interest rupees 6,000. Interest being rupees 1,000. Okay. So let's do the working. Your bank loan and your interest. Total you have repaid 6,000. So it is mentioned that interest is 1,000. Means the bank's loans principal must be 6,000 minus 1,000, 5,000. And now you are finishing your bank loan and paying the interest. Interest is your expense. So expenses are always debited. Credit is bank loan because it is liability. You are finishing it. So you have to debit it. So entry will be bank loan account debit. How much bank loan? We have calculated 5,000. Interest you are paying your expense. So debit the expense. Interest account debit. 1,000. And you have paid it. So must have been paid through cash or bank. Nothing mentioned. I assume paid by cash. So to cash account. Cash is going out. So credit the cash. 6,000. This is the entry for repayment of bank loan with interest. Repayment of bank loan with interest. Okay. Moving on to the next point of discussion. See, everything is just clearing your concepts. Pay attention. Journal should be really good because this is the foundation on which you will do other chapters. So journal you should be really good. Okay. Point number 5. Sold goods to Anuj rupees 40,000 at the rate trade discount 10%. Now first of all tell me, trade discount को books में record करोगे? Answer is no, never. So from 40,000 immediately remove 10% trade discount. So 40,000, I'll do the working here, less 10% trade discount, that comes up to 4,000. And the actual sales 40,000 minus 4,000 is 36,000. This is my actual sales. as I never record trade discount in my books, never. Okay, and received half the amount in cash, and for which 5% cash discount is given. But I record cash discount in my books. I have to remember that. So 36,000 is my total sales. For the bifurcation of 36,000, see, half of it is cash and half of it is credit. So cash, 36,000 divided by 2, 18,000, and credit, 18,000. Now the credit will remain as it is. Cash discount always on cash. I am giving a 5% discount because Anuj is paying me cash promptly. Okay, so I will not receive full 18,000. Out of that, 5% I am allowing as discount. So again, 5% is your discount. You have sold, you will receive money, so you are allowing discount allowed. 5% of 18,000 comes up to 900, and final cash received 95% of it. So final cash received, how much is your final cash received? 18,000 minus 900, that comes up to 17,100. So this working is important. Otherwise, what figures will you put in your journal entry? So sales है, sales आपका credit में ही जाएगा. So बिंदास डालो to sales. And how much was your sales? Here, see, 36,000. We never record trade discount. So, to sales, 36,000. And one part was credit sales, one part was cash sales for which discount is allowed. So, in case of credit sales, what do? Party का नाम लिखते हो. So, one thing that you will do is Anuj accounts debit. And Anuj credit कितना से? 18,000 से. So here 18,000. Okay, Anuj account debit by 18,000. Now for rest part, half cash has been received and discount has been allowed. So cash account debit, as cash is coming in, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit. We have also discussed earlier कि कैश का पार्टनर हमेशा डिस्काउंट होता है. यदि कैश डेबिट होगा, डिस्काउंट भी डेबिट होगा. यदि कैश क्रेडिट होगा, डिस्काउंट भी क्रेडिट होगा. सो सेपरेट एंट्री ऐसे देखो कि अनुज को मैंने क्रेडिट सेल्स किया. सो अनुज अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स, एंड नाउ कैश सेल्स किया. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, हाउ मच कैश एम आई रिसीविंग? सी हियर, 17,100 is the amount of cash I am receiving. So cash account debit 17,100, discount allowed account debit 900. Okay, let's do further practice questions presented by aforaccounts.com.